Perfect. Perfect.
All right, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time it is, your time. It's always time to make this money. So let's do it, guys. Let's make this money. My name is Joe. Welcome back to Trade Intuition. We show you how to use crypto bubbles. You click and click again, and look at that. That's a new trick I learned. But Joe, we don't care about that. We want to know how to make money. Okay, fine. Be that way. Guys, we make trading fun. Make trading easy. We know when to be in a trade. It's just like that song. Who knows it? Or who knows the name of the movie? Know when to hold 'em, know when to fold 'em, and know when to walk away. Who knows the name of that movie? Put in the chat. But that's exactly true. Like, you have to know when to be in a trade and when not to be in a trade. And of course, YouTube, it says not receiving enough video to maintain smooth streaming. YouTube, I haven't changed anything. Literally, I have not changed a darn thing. I got the Matrix. Matrix is after me. But just to let you know, guys, you don't. There's times where just relax, go outside, do something, or better yet, invest in yourself. Invest time in your learning. So watch videos, take notes. Of course, watch. I love watching streamers because you can actually see their whole thought process. The ones that actually mention their thought process, because there's a lot that I watch and they just go chart, up, down, zoom in, zoom out, different time frames. And like, okay, this is where you enter. It's like, whoa. Like, I know what you're doing, but what about everybody else who's brand new or just coming in? They have no idea what you're doing. They don't care. I do, though. So what I do is I explain every single thing. Sometimes my people, they're like, Joe, I already know this, but it's good to have a refresher. All right. You got it. Grant is the winner. Grant is the winner. The gambler, Kenny Rogers. Yes, indeed. Man. Kenny Rogers. Yep. It's a country song, too. Sure is. Sure is. All right, guys. So right now, what is going on with the market? Doing nothing. It's the weekend. Not only that, it is red. There are some coins that are doing well. We are in, well, we got stopped out yesterday on one of our coins and it was okay, but, and it was like a 5% loss, but we only had 50% of our entry in there. So do the math. Very little. So one thing I do is I protect the people that are in the group. I protect them I treat their money as if it's my money. And, you know, we moved up some stop losses. We moved up one stop loss earlier today because the price is doing well. We moved our stop loss and it's in profit slightly, but it's in profit. If we get stopped out, it's a little bit of profit. But due to the market conditions, any profit is better than no profit. And then right now we're actually in two shorts. We're in two shorts. One of the shorts was posted a day or two ago, and then another short was posted today. I was doing a video, thought process video. I'm very frequent on my thought process videos when it comes to the market, when it comes to certain coins, different price action, doing different things. And plus just what I'm thinking about as far as, you know, the market in general. And I was doing a thought process video this morning or earlier today. Yeah, I think it was this morning, early this morning. And I let them know, it's like, yeah, this one, we got stopped out. It's not looking good. This is how you would do a short, etc., etc. And then I was like, you know what? This one, it looks really good for a short. And I said, okay, I'm just gonna post it. So we posted the short and right now we're up. So give you a heads up. All right, moving on. Joe, that's all fine and dandy, but how am I gonna make money? Show me how I'm gonna make money. I don't care about you. I don't care about your group. How am I gonna make money? Okay, well, let's make this money, guys. Let's do it. Right now, of course, we talked about this, you know, yesterday. It's very important. Always, you know, every single day, watch these videos. If you can't watch it live, then watch it in the restream or replay and get all these tips and tricks that we're doing. Now, what I strongly recommend, pillows. We didn't do pillow talk. Do pillow talk. See, looking forward to today's pillow talk. I forgot all about that too. Oh man, that's how much. I mean, I love the video. But that's how much it meant to me. Like, it's like, oh, okay, that's funny. But I completely forgot. Good Lord, that's embarrassing. But yes, we will be doing some pillow talk today. I gotta think of something to do pillow talk about. That's funny. Let's see here. Pillow talk. Let's see. Paperclip says investing in yourself goes beyond money. Yes, indeed. Make sure you are in good state of health and mindset first. Yes, extremely important. You don't, and I mention this all the time too, when I talk about the psychology of trading, which is very important. You have to have a clear mindset. Like, you can't have kids tugging on you. You can't have your spouse, yelling at you in your ear because of, your breathing. You can't, you can't, trade when you're inebriated. You went out with the boys, you came back home and you're like, you know what? I feel good. The market looks good. Let me go ahead and trade. Leverage 50x. And then the next day you check your account and it says, Mr. TradeIntuition, you're in the negative. I mean, you check your account and then it's, so don't have a clear mindset. You have to. You can't be rushed. I've had some people too, where they've told me, oh, pillow time, pillow time, pillow talk. So this is, oh man, I need to make this for pillow talk. This is pillow talk and have some pillows. That'd be funny. I gotta do that. So with pillow talk, there have been plenty of times where I've had people message me like, Joe, like I messed up, I entered this trade. I said, well, what was going on? Like, what were you doing? Were you fighting with your spouse? What, like, not to get personal, but just to know where your mindset's at. It's like, no, man, like I was running late for work. I saw the chart really quick. I'm already running late. I entered the trade. I left. I didn't put a stop loss or anything, and I'm down 35 or 40%. Ooh, I said, okay. I said, with everything, there's a learning lesson. So what's the lesson you learned? So, well, don't enter a trade when you're in a rush. Like, you literally have to be calm, cool, collective. You have to have the mindset of, okay, I need to do a plan, and here's my plan. So that's very important. Paperclip says, I was talking to my buddy and he thinks Bitcoin is going to squeeze out the shorts and then it'll go down. Possible. Like right here, it was going to where like people started opening shorts and then bear trap. We talked about this possible bear trap a few days ago. And then sure enough, it became a bear trap because the more candles that are above the level of the breakout, the stronger the confirmation of the bear trap. Now, it looks very weak. The price action right now looks very weak. We actually need it to, and again, this was a thought process video that I did earlier today for the group. This was our level. This was our level of resistance throughout the entire chart. There is nothing but support resistance levels. This was our level of resistance, and then it met resistance again, and then it met resistance again, and it came down. So as it's coming down, this is our level of support. Notice the support on the wick, the support in the kind of body, support. Then it broke it. Once it broke it, doesn't look good. And this applies to regular coins as well. This is one of the things that I was telling my group, where if it breaks a support, if you want, you can do a short. However, be very careful because right now Bitcoin just flipping and a flopping, just going up and down, and you can easily get shorted out. So whenever you enter because this is a breakout, a confirmed breakout is when the candle closes. The higher the time frame, the stronger the confirmation on the breakout. Now you could enter once it closes. That's kind of aggressive. It's aggressive. But when it comes up and it retests whether it goes back to the area of the breakout or breakdown, and it comes back down, crossing the area of most recent support or resistance, depending on which way we're going, once it breaks that, then you can add to your entry. And of course, I'm referring to a short. So this is my thought process when it comes to this. Right now, it started breaking below our main level. Our main level is at 64. This is our main level. If we break and close underneath 64, be careful. be careful because it may come down. Now, when it does come down, let's see here, 1 second. Sorry about this, guys. 1 moment. Almost done. Okay. Sounds good. Okay, so let's see here. So if it does break down, more than likely it will, but nobody knows. If it does break down, well, guess what? We have a level of support right here. So if it breaks this support, within our next level is right here. So throughout this is right. So if we were to do this, I want to show you this. So this pulls up the order blocks and everything else. Got to give it some time. Oh, that's surprising. I thought we were going to have an order block right here. But this is an area of, it's a zone. It's a zone. I'm not going to draw the zone, but you can see that between these two yellow lines, this is your zone to where if it does break down, well, then we have this. And that's all it is throughout the entire chart. It's just an area of support, resistance, and then depending on how the candle bodies look, depends on if it looks strong or if it looks weak. You know, are the candle body sizes larger or are they really, really tiny? This is like no activity. This is so boring. Nobody's buying, nobody's selling. There's no activity going up or down. So this is like dangerous. Like, man, if I were to see this right here, if I were to see this after this nice candle, okay candle, but look at the wicks. Nice candle, nice candle, nice candle, little, the smaller one, we're going down. We're going down. I'm pretty sure we're gonna go down hard too. What happened? Nope. Next candle. Next candle. Then it starts going up. It's like, oh crap. So just because you see the candle bodies where they're doing dojis or hammer starfish or whatever they call them, depending on that and, you know, patterns, indicators, anything, like nobody knows what's going to happen. Anybody can buy a whole bunch or sell a whole bunch. So this right here, I would think that it's going to go down, and it didn't. It started coming up. So what we have to do is just base it off of support resistance, and it's literally that easy. If it breaks support, okay, where's the next support? If it breaks that one, doesn't bounce, where's the next support? Where's the next resistance? That's how we trade. Nice and easy. Okay, moving on. So hopefully that is your Bitcoin update. Hopefully that is good. Of course, if it does come up, more than likely it's going to get rejected off of this top trend line that we've already drawn. You can see right here, our top trend line, bottom trend line. So if it does come up, more than likely get rejected off of top trend line before it comes down, hopefully bounces, then breaks out. But once I mentioned here, don't buy the breakout. Don't use this for entries for longs, because what might happen, it breaks out and it is doing this boring stuff. What it's been doing, it starts doing it here in between these levels. What we really need to see to be slightly bullish is a higher high. So this would have been our high. This would be our higher high. This is what we really want. Then of course, if it comes down, hopefully it finds support somewhere here, whether it's here, breaks out again. But this positive momentum, I think will only last for a few days, 2-3 days, before it reaches this level of 67.5. Major resistance. It's a key level before it comes down. But we'll see. Nobody knows. Nobody knows. All right. Let's see here. What do we got? We got a bunch of people talking in the chats. Yes, don't do this. I have done this many of times, and I have lost bukus of money. And there's times where it's like, allegedly, I've allegedly done this. There've been times where it's like, you know what? I'm doing so great, this and that, blah, blah. Oh, and I might have to take a, well, I'm going to do a commercial in about 5 minutes. Give you a heads up. Somebody just came to the door. Anyway, but yeah, so for this one, I've done it many times, and, you know, I'm getting brave and everything else. And then it's like, you know what? Finally, I'm going to go big, 20x, 50x, 75x, 100x. And I'll be winning, losing, whatever, adding to my trades. Then I wake up the next morning, it's like, holy crap. How did I get it to, that low amount? It happens. So yeah, very true. Let's see, Jono says the bed must be huge. For the pillows? Oh yeah, definitely, of course. I see Crypto Kennedy says, I think that's what happened when I opened a short and completely forgot. Thanks, Pokey. Yeah, man. Crypto Kennedy, man, he made some big gains. Big gains. He posted that in the group. I was like, dude. He goes, dude, I forgot about it. And that's what happens too. See, where'd they go? That's what happens too. Like sometimes, like I'll enter trades just to like show the group or whatever, and then I'll close it or close the window, or have the window behind other windows, and then sure enough, it's like, oh, I forgot. I'm actually in a trade. So give you a heads up. Let's see here. Paper Group says, I'm up 25% on my ton, considering taking some profits. Nice, man. Go for it. That's good. 25%. That's really good. See here, Chicago Brew. What's up, buddy? Chicago says, and that's all it is. Support, resistance, prepare for trading wars. Dude, I already have a list. I have a list of excuses already. And I'm asking Google for more. I got a list. I'm nervous, man. I'm nervous. It's gonna be fun though. It's gonna be fun. We'll see. We shall see. Let's see here. Move my stop loss up to 7.5. Well, let's check it out. Oh, I think I've already shown you our ton setup. So this is our ton setup. We entered here. We entered again here. This is what we do in the VIP. We actually moved up our stop loss. So just kind of give you a heads up. See here. Move up stop loss 750. You could, but shift, click, and drag down. Oh no, just click and go down. So the group will be 1.7% lower than you, but you have a much higher probability of getting stopped out due to the fact that this is our moving average. And granted, the moving averages it follows the price action, but if it moves up too fast and hard, normally the price will come down just because people are taking profit who bought here and here. So the price action may come down. Again, this is the average, so more than likely it might come down here and then you get stopped out because you wanted to save 1.7%. Now, if this is a leverage trade and you're doing leverage, then yeah, definitely move up your stop loss. Perfect. But if it's a regular spot trade, it's safer just to keep it where we have it. Give you a heads up. And that's what we do in the group, guys. If you're interested in joining the VIP, let me know. Of course, I believe I'm going to pin the message right now. It's a Linktree. And this will go to, if you want to pay with crypto, you can just send me a Telegram message, Telegram message. If you want to pay with credit card or debit card, well, then you can go and let's go into this. Put this right here. You can do that. And that goes to the Patreon. So give you a heads up. All right, moving on. Okay. So let's see here. Oh, speaking about that, let me get the door really quick. So there's going to be a commercial. It's like 2 minutes or so. So give me just one moment. Let me clear this. And in the meantime, everybody who's here, please, if you haven't already, smash the like and put number one, because you are number one. You're my favorite. Put number one in the chat if you are still here. Let's run the commercial really quick. So 1 moment. Everything that I say is from experience. Much money and so much effort. Like, it's super important. Now, if you're in the VIP, I have videos that are 3, 4, 5 minutes long on average. If you want to make money, I will show you how. I would offer the free group, but it's already full. I have a huge wait list. So more than likely, if I do let 3 or 4 people go, the spots are filled. Not only that, but when people do sign up for the VIP because they're making money in the free group, I am very, very invested to make you money in this free group so you can get the VIP. When those people leave the free group and get into the VIP, well, there's just so many more people that are trying to take their spot. I would strongly recommend getting the VIP. You're gonna make money. Now, granted, none of this is financial advice. It's never hopes and dreams and empty promises, nothing like that. See what I do. See if this makes you money. I give you my real life experience based off of my trainings, based off of my teachings, what I would do at that moment versus what everybody else does, because they want to sell you their course. They want to sell you all that stuff. I show you that my stuff works. Do we win? Yes. Do we lose? Sometimes. That's part of the game. But what I do is I show you all this so that you can see, oh man, I lost today, but Joe said he lost too. So it's okay. That's what I want you to realize, guys. If you like the content that I provide, make sure to smash the like button. Subscribe to the channel. That was perfect timing. I still need like 2 more minutes though. Man, I was rushing. Okay. So let's see here. Go in the chat. See here. Okay, IOTX. Let's check that one out. Okay, so I want to point this out. So for cream, somebody had mentioned this one on YouTube a day or 2 ago, I guess, or yesterday, and my alert went off. But I was like, let me look at this. Let me wait. Because look at this. Wick. Sure enough, I waited. It pumped, and boom. Came down. Okay. Let's do this. I did it. I always get confused with that. LTX. USDT. Makes sense. See, I'm hoping to get a nice bounce off a 12-hour. What? I mean, it might come down a little bit more. See, now this all depends too. If this is an investment, sure, get some now. If it goes down 30-40%, get some more. If it's a trade, man, we need, like, you need at least, shoot, man, 3-5 days to wait to see if it's going to do this and then break its recent high. That's my opinion. But man, I don't have another video for y'all to see because I need 2 minutes. So talk amongst yourselves. Oh, let me put a video on. Like, Joe, we don't want to watch one of your videos. And I wasn't expecting, I got a delivery and I was expecting them to be here like an hour later, and it only took them like 30 minutes to get here. It's supposed to be like 2 hours. Sorry, guys. Let's see here. Like, Joe, we don't want to see this crap. Give me just a moment. If I lose you, I apologize. But it's very important, the breakout. So let me go ahead and put this on. If you've already seen it, please bear with me. Man, I feel really bad too. Where's the audio? Okay. So hopefully y'all can hear this. Y'all can hear it. Man, I'm messing up so much today. I don't think y'all can hear. Could y'all hear that? Let's see, monitor. Okay. No audio. Okay, good. Crap, man. All right. Give me 2 minutes. I'm gonna try to make this really fast. Sorry. I don't even know how to fix this like really quick. Pressure's on. Properties. Okay, properties. I got it. I got it. I got it. Pressure's on, and I got it. Here we go. So now you should be able to hear it. Wow, what the heck was that? That was some Optimus Prime stuff. Audio. Monitor off, I guess. Mute. It should do this. Okay, here we go. So 1 second, guys. And thank you guys for being so patient. You guys are the best. I love you guys. I really do. So 1 moment. Here we go. 3, 2, and 1. All right, I'm back. I'm back. Let's go ahead and do this. This. There we go. All right, guys, who's still in here? Who is still in here? I would love to know. Put a number 7 in the chat. Number 7 in the chat. Can't believe y'all are still here. Good Lord. I love you guys. Man, I'm sweating up a storm. Been doing a lot of work outside. Coming in real quick. Doing stuff. Let's see here. Let's see, what do we got? What do we got? see here. So Lenny K was talking about IOTX. That's a 12-hour. Oh, order block. Order block. I didn't read that part. Is there an order block right there? Oh, yeah, yes. Okay. And that's right on the support. Yeah. So it is coming down. Nice catch. See, the only thing is with order block trading is it's almost it's catching the falling knife if it fails. If it works, perfect. Great. Man, you did order block trading. Awesome job. There are times where I do order block trading, but I've learned that trend trading or the strategy of trend trading is much safer. You don't make as much gains, but you don't get stopped out as much, or you're not holding it for longer than you want. Right now, if you do, yeah. So if you do order block trading, then right now would be the perfect time to enter. In my opinion, not financial advice. All right, moving on. Let's see here. This and I know I always talk trash about Restream, but I'm a procrastinator too. One day I will not use Restream. Not today, but one day. Because I'm supposed to have another chat box, but it always messes up. Let's see here. Oh, wait, sorry. Next one says, Grant Spelling says, hey Joe, thoughts on Aptos and SUI please. Hearing positive things. I don't know about them as far as news, but we can check the chart. Aptos. So APT. USDT. MEXC. Okay, would I enter right now? Nope. 4-hour time frame. Let's get rid of all that mumbo jumbo. It's right at support. So what I would have to do is I would set an alert right here. And once the alert goes off, the candle must close, 4-hour candle must close above 7.13 in order to enter. If the 4-hour candle does not close above 7.13, you're more than likely going to come back down here, fight resist, have this be resistance again, and then possibly continue going lower. So that's my thought process on that one. This is rapid fire. Rapid fire. I was looking at this one. I believe this is the one I was looking at this morning. I was doing, man, I did like, shoot, 4, maybe 5 hours of charts this morning. Starting like at 3 in the morning. Ridiculous. I started getting a lot of alerts, but it's all because they were coming down. I was like, oh no, what's going on with the market? Let's get rid of all this junk. Okay. I was kind of looking for a zone, but we do have this area of support / resistance. This is candle bodies or candle wicks. I'm very particular that I like using the candle bodies and not the wicks on the daily time frame, or the 4-hour in this case. Lots of support. So for this one, it would need, here's my actual alert, because I'm waiting for it to break above this. What's the price range difference between here and here? 10%, 11%. So, and actually set this one earlier. So what I would do is I would actually have my alert set right here. That's where I'd set my alert. You can even do it right here. I set my alert for this. The 4-hour candle must close. We'll do it. Must close above this. 0.9715. If the 4-hour candle does not close above 0.9715, then just wait. Wait for it, reset the alert, let it go again. And then once it does close there, now you can have a lower entry. Blue is always my lower entry, but I'll go ahead and mention, make it simple. Your lower entry would be right here. So you would enter up here. Then if it did come down, this would be your lower entry before it more than likely is going to find support and then come back up again. So that's my thought process on that one. Hopefully everybody is up to speed. Let's see here. Checking the chats. Let's see here. Crypto Candy says, Lennon Kid, you're literally a 1/4% away from your alert. Nice. Jono says, possible head and shoulders forming on ton. Ton, head and shoulders, larger picture. Nice catch. Very nice catch. Shoulder, head, possible, shoulder. Nice catch. Those there. It won't go, but we're looking at about 570-ish if the measure move plays out. This will be your neckline. This will be your neckline. The measure move about 30 there. Yeah, about 570, 580. But that might happen. Who knows? Who knows? You know, so be getting these profits right now, guys. Now for me, I am in some trades. This one I did happen to sell right here. Right when I started seeing it come down, I let the group know too. It's like, hey, I'm selling mine. I moved up my stop loss. It got hit. It went up a little bit more and then just came down. So for my ton, I was in profit. That was like one of the very few that I'm in profit. The other ones, they're all investments and all of them down 30, 40%, if not more. Some of them I have a little bit of money in. And then what I'm doing, because these are investment trades, like I want the price to come down. If it comes down, well, then I can put $50, $100, $200, whatever in there. So it's dollar cost averaging. Now you may think, Joe, that's kind of dumb. Like, why did you buy it then and just hold it? Well, that was my thought. That was my plan, was to just have an investment. Just buy it, hold it there. Don't worry about it. If it comes down, I add to it. One thing though, with this, is whenever you're doing this type of trading, you have to detach your emotions. You have to detach your emotions, because if not, you'll look at it, it's like, oh man, I'm down 30%, 40%. No, I get the opportunity to put in more. Now, we're looking at it like that because we know what happened. All the prices came down. But what if the prices would have just shot up? Well, you know, we're in the investments already, and we're not buying at a much higher price. Now we have the opportunity to buy at a lower price or add to our trades. All right. So nice kites on that. See here, Lenny Kid says, keeping a good eye on it. Nice, nice, nice. Let's see here. Paperclip says, I'm on leverage. Okay, nice. Just be careful, man. Be very careful with your leverage ton. Be very careful. Low leverage is the way to go if you do leverage. 2x, 3x max. You know, if you're really good, 5, 10x, but even the really good ones, like, because we don't know what's going to happen. Like, we have probabilities, but we don't know. See, Road Dog says, Jono said, possible. That's good training at work right here. Nice. Yeah. Possible. You know, because we don't know. It could just go and create a higher high and keep on going. But yeah. All right, got ones in the chat. Ones. Road Dog says, quick, suspicious wardrobe change. That's funny. That is funny. You guys, I love you guys. You guys are funny. That would have been funny though, if I would have come back with a bunch of pillows or something. Pillow talk. See here, Paperclip says, I just got mine. IOTX. Nice. Okay, here. The sound like it's really quiet. Dang it. I don't know how to adjust that. I noticed that too on the playback for the music video. The audio wasn't like pristine. No worries. Play some music. Oh, I should have done that. Speaking about that, let's take this off. Let's put on some music. There we go. See here, no worries. Play some music. Okay, 7's good. You guys are great. Let's see here. Chicago Brew says, a brew is not the android you're looking for. No, the droid you're looking for. Don't know what that means. See, my stop is in profit. Nice work, man. Nice work. Nicely well done. All right. Any other coins, questions, comments, concerns, issues? We will put on the timer. We're going to put on the timer. But I just want to let y'all know that you guys are great. I love you guys so much. But yes, let's see here. One thing that I can share with you. What can I share with you? What can I share? BIGTIME. We're talking about BIGTIME. And we were saying, what was the price section? Oh, the price section must have been here. Maybe. I don't know. I think someone was looking for a long, and I drew this. This was yesterday. Man, that's how bad my memory is. And we drew this yesterday because it's a zone, and we're saying, you know, because of this zone, it might come down here, then try to come up, create a lower high, showing weakness, come back down, find support, come back up, lower high, again, showing weakness, break through the support, and then now come down. Well, it just said, nope, I'm going home. And boop, came down. So, give you a heads up on that. Let's see here. PENDLE, can I show PENDLE to y'all? Okay, so this will be the last one that I'm going to show because all these other ones, they're from the group with my thought process. So here's thought process. This one started doing really nice, and I put an alert. My alert went off. I saw it here. I said, it looks good. Broke this level. Let me wait one candle. Let me just see. And that's what I do. That's what I do in the group. I'm doing all the waiting for you. So then this kind of went and it broke below it. I was like, ooh, man, I'm glad I didn't do it. So then I go and I see that it's here. So then I put my level, you know, around here. Comes up, and then the alert goes off again. I was like, okay, fine. Let me put my alert now above the wick, because the alert, it just lets me be aware of the possibility of us maybe entering. So then I go and I look at it. It's like, okay, let me wait just a little bit more. And sure enough, this one closed underneath it again. I was like, man, I'm glad I didn't post it. I'm glad, because again, I care about you. I'm not going to say, oh, buy the breakout, buy the retest, leave y'all out to hang and dry, however that saying goes. But what I do is I wait. And then sure enough, I mean, I'm checking on these coins periodically throughout the day. And if, you know, the alert doesn't go off, I go and check them. And then it came down here. It broke this level. Again, this was one of the messages that thought process videos that I made. It broke this level. So if this was available for a short, well, then I'd enter a short, you know. But just be very careful with the amount of shorts you're entering, because you have to be paying close attention to these shorts, because, you know, it could just flip. Bitcoin could just flip and start going green, and crazy green. We've seen it before. And then everything flips. And then now, if you don't have a stop loss, you get liquidated. Or you got to keep on adding to your trade. Let's see here. I got about 2 minutes. Any comments, questions, concerns, issues, crypto related, personal related? Let's see here. Let's go back to this. Come over here. Let's see if I can do this fairly quick. Looking for markets. So Bitcoin dominance right now is at 55.39%. What does this mean? This means that Bitcoin holds 55% of the entire crypto space. That's what that means. When this goes lower and Bitcoin goes up, that means people are still buying Bitcoin. People are very bullish on Bitcoin, but due to the dominance being reduced, this is saying that more people are also buying altcoins, creating an increase in the dominance of alts, reducing the dominance of Bitcoin. So it's a pie chart. So when one goes up, the other one has to go down. So even though Bitcoin is going up in price, the dominance is going down in percentage, because people are very bullish now and they're buying alts, creating the influx of dominance for the alts, reducing the dominance for Bitcoin. This is what we want. We want Bitcoin up. We want alts up. We want dominance down. When that happens, man, it's going to be great. It's going to be great. Speaking about great, I don't know how to transition, but I do thank you guys very much. Joe, that was a horrible transition. Sorry. But I do thank you guys very much. We will see you tomorrow at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you have charts you want me to do, make sure to have those ready. If you have questions, make sure to have those ready. And I love doing this, guys. We do this every single day at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and we reserve this time for you. But speaking about that, I gotta, take care of the delivery. But I do thank you guys very much. And since there are no comments, I just want to say 3, 2, 1. My name is Joe. This is TradeIntuition. Just know, and I mentioned this yesterday as well, I didn't tell you this. I hate when people say, oh, I told you. Nah, you didn't tell me nothing. So I informed you, I advised you, I encourage you to take time, get away from the computer, get away from the charts. When the market's not good, don't force trades. If you can get in, if there's a one good chart out of 50 or 60 that you're looking at, okay, fine, get into that one if you want. But just know that a successful trader knows when not to be in any trades. And if you feel that you have to be in a trade every single time, don't worry. You will learn, just like I did, just like everybody else did, when we lose and lose and lose and lose. It's a very expensive lesson, and I'm here to reduce the cost of admission because it's very expensive. All right, guys, that's all I got. I do thank you, the awkward looking down, and we'll see you tomorrow at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Take care. And word of the day is pillow talk. All right, guys, thank you so much. We'll do some more pillow talk tomorrow, and have a good one. DJ, let's play just a little bit of that song. Just a little bit, because I love that song, okay? And then we can go to our song. 3, 2, 1.
Pillow talk is spilling all your secrets, sounding like a little girl pushing 50, still in crypto rich, probably lit in some basement. Just face it, you a shitty trader. Just face it, you're a shitty trader. Just face it, you're a shitty trader. Just face it, looking for handouts. Every time I drop a chart, it's a free throw. Just face it, yeah, I'm your hero on YouTube, looking like Miss Cleo.
Call me now for your free tarot reading.
Getting everybody stop, your account's probably zero. I could roll solo, you wouldn't know my name. Online, hating, craving clout, chasing fame. Definition of a lame, get out of my face.
Call me now for your free
Pillow talk is spilling all your secrets, sounding like a little girl pushing 50, still in crypto rich, probably lit in some basement. Just face it, you a shitty trader. Just face it, you're a shitty trader. Just face it, you're a shitty trader. Just face it. Obsessed with others' lives, why you need the spotlight? Wasting my time, I shouldn't give you advice. Still trying to figure it out. I got a life, no time for this fight. Seems like you're out of loop, maybe quit YouTube. Pillow talk is spilling all your secrets, sounding like a little girl pushing 50, still in crypto rich, probably lit in some basement. Just face it, you a shitty trader. Just face it, you're a shitty trader. Just face it, you're a shitty trader. Just face it, begging for a handout. Every time I drop a chart, that's a free throw. Just face it, yeah, I'm your hero on YouTube, looking like Miss Cleo. Getting everybody stop, your account's probably zero. I can roll solo, you wouldn't know my name. Online, hating, craving clout, chasing fame. Definition of a lame, get out of my face. Pillow talk is spilling all your secrets, sounding like a little girl pushing 50, still in crypto rich, probably lit in some basement. Just face it, you a shitty trader. Just face it, you a shitty trader. Just face it, you a shitty trader. Just face it. Obsessed with others' lives, why you need the spotlight? Wasting my time, I shouldn't give you advice. Still trying to figure it out. I got a life, no time for this fight. Seems like you're out of loop, maybe quit YouTube. Pillow talk is spilling all your secrets, sounding like a little girl pushing 50, still in crypto rich, probably lit
Call me now for
in
your
some
free
basement.
tarot reading.
Just face it, you a shitty trader. Just face it, you a shitty trader. Just face it, you a shitty trader. Just face it. Obsessed with others' lives, why you need the spotlight? Wasting my time, I shouldn't give you advice. Still trying to figure it out. I got a life, no time for this fight. Seems like you're out of loop, maybe quit YouTube. Pillow talk is spilling all your secrets, sounding like a little girl pushing 50, still in crypto rich, probably lit in some basement. Just face it, you a shitty trader. Just face it, you a shitty trader. Just face it, you a shitty trader. Just face it.
Who's still here? Yeah, ringtone. Speaking about ringtone, this is my buddy. This is my buddy John, who made that diss video for me, or diss video to me, I guess. I don't know, but I love it. It's great. Dude's great. Anyway, I actually put that here. I said, well done on the video. Your AI videos have improved. So this is what kind of guy I am. You see that, guys? This dude did a diss video to me saying I'm trash, that I'm a crappy trader, and this is my response. That's crazy. Who's still here? Checking. I got a few people here, but yeah. So this is my response to him. This was actually after the show. I said, well done on the video. Your AI videos have improved so much since the first one you showed me. Keep it up. You're doing great. Everyone loved the beat. It's very catchy. I made it my ringtone, and I have it for my ringtone. So just to let you know, guys, and this was sent to him. I'm not trying to fake it or nothing like that, but just to let you know, this guy in his group called me a trash trader. I'm only in his group because I want his charts, which no, I don't. If you saw his chart, no. But anyway, you know, and it's cool, man, whatever. And then he goes and I'm telling him, hey, be a man about it. You know, tell me why you don't want me in your group. Like, what don't you like about me? Be a man. And so, of course, he goes on his computer, and instead of, you know, manning up, goes on his computer and makes that video, which I found very, very funny and entertaining, and gave him a compliment, because that's me. That's who I am. All right. Judge the character as you wish. All right, guys. That's all I got. Take care. For real this time. Bye. See ya. Oh, not again. Get out of here. Not again. All right, guys. Take care.